Hello, I'm Marilyn Tuck, and today I'm going to talk about teeth grinding. Well, many people grind their teeth. They have to go to the dentist and wear these ghastly mouth guards. And actually, does that really fix the problem? You're grinding your teeth for some reason. You're grinding away the day's thoughts and the worries of the day, and perhaps of the weeks and of the months and of the years, without you even realizing it. Our mind has amazing capabilities, and with hypnosis, we can tap into those and help you to let go your worries, help you to let go your teeth grinding issues. And then you don't have to worry about mouth guards. You don't have to worry about your teeth grinding away, and you'll be fine. Now, I do this with consultations, but one of the nicest things is that I've actually done an audio, a CD, an MP3, that can help you to do this on your own. It's very cheap. All you need to do is listen at night when you're ready to go to sleep. It takes just over 20 minutes. You sleep on afterwards, or you just take out your earphones and you just roll over and go back on to sleep. Here it is here. That's the CD. It's called Unwinding Teeth Grinding. And it's an MP3 too. Just $7.99 in MP3 format. Very easy, very simple. And I've had many good reports back. You listen to it for 3 weeks. And at the end of that time, you decide whether you'll listen to it for 1 week longer. It's okay. You'll know when you've stopped grinding because your jaw won't ache so much in the morning, and you won't have headaches, and you'll feel so much better. And how simple has that been? It didn't cost you much, did it? Now, you'll find this on my website, marilyntuck.co.uk. Yes, it's there. You can buy it. You can see more about it, read more about it. You can listen to an excerpt. And then you can buy it. It's very simple, very effective. And if you want to come for a consultation, I'm here in Nebworth, Hertfordshire, or Moorgate, London. I'm also on Skype. And I do consultations on Skype worldwide. And my phone number is 07962 811 907 should you wish to contact me to know more. Or you can email me. I'll always answer. And I hope I can help you to stop your teeth grinding too. Thank you.